What's going on, everybody? It is Alex from Everything for iPod. Today I have a really sweet product from a company called Mobile Monitor Technologies. This is the Monitor2Go HD Plus, and basically what it is, it's a portable monitor that you can connect any iOS device to, really any smartphone, any tablet, any laptop. There's tons of applications for this product, which makes it really neat. This is just the unboxing, but I will have the review in a few days up on my channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around for that if you're not already subscribed. Anyway, let's crack into the packaging and see what this awesome product is all about. Right on top on the inside of the box is the documentation bag. So inside all this bag you get all of your manuals, pretty much everything you need to get started. So it's a little bit tricky to get out. You can see I was having a little bit of trouble. But anyway, inside you do get a few things. The first being a thank you card basically from the company saying thank you for purchasing their product. You also have a Let's Go guide, which pretty much tells you how to get started, how to use the product, which can come in handy. Personally, I didn't need it to get started with the product. And then you get an installation CD for both Windows and Mac. So yes, besides portable devices, this is compatible with Windows as well as Mac computers. Now going back inside the box to see what else we get, I reached for the little box in the back. I figured we'd save the best for last. Inside of this box, you will find all of your cables that you need to get started. Really not all of them, because there is something else that you do need, which I'll tell you about in a second. Inside, you do get your power cable as well as a mini to USB cable to connect to a computer, and a male-to-male HDMI connection, which is used to connect mobile devices to this. If you're connecting a laptop, you can use either USB connection or the HDMI connection. Basically, if you're going to connect a mobile device such as an iPad or an iPhone, if it does not have an HDMI port on the device, which most tablets and phones do not have, you will need the adapter from the company. So for example, to connect an iPhone 5, you will need a Lightning to AV adapter from Apple. It's not included in the box. You will need to go out and purchase them, and they aren't the cheapest things in the world either, so just keep that in mind. Apple's are usually $40 or $50 depending on if you get the 30-pin or Lightning adapter. And then if you use something like an Android device or any other tablet that has a different type of connection, you will most likely need either a something like a micro HDMI or mini HDMI to full-size HDMI adapter to connect to this device. Going back inside the box now to get the best for last, and something I didn't know that was in there was actually a sleeve. So this thing is kind of treated like a laptop. It's a 15.6-inch, I believe, display. I'll put all the specs to the screen down in the description, and you can also check out my full review. But it pretty much is treated like a laptop. It's really cool, so you have a little sleeve to keep it in, pretty much like a laptop sleeve. It's very similar to Incase's Neoprene Sleeve. Feels just like it. You got a zipper that goes kind of a quarter of a way, I guess, or halfway around the sleeve. And there aren't any pockets for your power adapter, which is very odd. I would definitely expect to see that, considering you do need some cables to get this product going. Anyway, all you have is that with some MMT branding, again, which does stand for Mobile Monitor Technologies. Here's the actual product. It definitely has a little bit of weight to it, but it feels very thin. And the reason it has weight is because of the build quality. This thing is made really solid. You have a plastic top that has a soft touch feel, but aluminum down on the bottom. Anyway, I'm going to get to all that again in my review, but lifting it up, you can see that nice screen right there. It does have a matte finish, so it is sort of anti-glare. Of course, you can see a huge glare on it right now because of my studio lights, but in a normal environment, you won't get that. That big giant square on the bottom is where your iPad will go. Again, I will get to that in my full review. I can't really yet because I don't have the adapter. As you can see, the screen swivels 180 degrees and folds down like a laptop. On the bottom of the device, there's also a kickstand, which is really neat. You can see how thin it is there. So again, here we are on the bottom. I'm just going to kind of show you a few things about the product. So first we have this little iPad tray, which is removable. You want to keep that in there if you don't have your iPad in the monitor to protect the screen. But to get it out, it was a little bit tricky at first, actually. It was kind of wedged in there really tight for shipping. But when you finally get it out, you can put your iPad in there looks really nice, and when you have it open, you can kind of have two monitors on the same device. One is your iPad screen, and then the other is the monitor. So you're going to want to hold on to that. That's definitely not trash because, again, you want it to protect your screen when the device is closed. I'm going to stick it back in there just for now. Some other things are some sort of buttons there. I'm not sure if that's for volume or brightness, but I'll get to that in my review. You also have some USB ports, power connections, a little kickstand, your HDMI connection, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, it looks like. There you can see everything really high quality. Very excited to have this, very fortunate, and looking forward to reviewing it. Thanks guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. That's it for now. I'll catch you later.